Okay, this is the chapter 14 assignment on page 886. It is the lesson for Friday, May 15th. We're going to be doing numbers 11 through 14. So let's start with number 11 at the top. It says, identify the lines outlined on the pair of scissors as parallel, perpendicular, or intersecting. Choose the most specific term. So you're looking at these two red lines here on the scissors. What do you notice about them? They are crossing. So when they're crossing, think about, are they making square corners? I do not see any square corners in this intersection here. So it's just an intersecting line. Number 12, Sandy is driving on Broadway Avenue. That is the street right here, going straight up and down. The question says, which street appears to be perpendicular to Broadway Avenue? So perpendicular, remember, means that the other line is going to cross through this line or this street, and it's going to make a square corner. So would this be a perpendicular line? No, because I don't see any square corners here. This is not a square corner. How about Audience Road? I see right here and right here it's forming square corners. So this street, Audience Road, is perpendicular to Broadway Avenue. Okay, moving on to 13. Nathan practiced his handwriting by writing the alphabet in capital letters. That's a key term in this problem, capital letters. He wrote all of the letters that have both parallel and perpendicular line segments. I'm going to highlight that because that's important. Parallel and perpendicular. So which letters did he write? So I'm going to give you a couple so that you can see what they mean by this, and then you can see if you can think of any more. Okay, so the first one would be letter H. Letter H has two parallel lines and then a perpendicular line. So he wrote all the letters that have both parallel and perpendicular. Letter H has parallel and perpendicular. Now I'm going to cheat a little bit here. I'm going to tell you, if we flip that H over on its side, we would have the letter I. And guess what? It has two parallel lines and one perpendicular line. So there's a few more in the alphabet that you could also write on here. I want you to think of at least two more where they have capital letters that have both parallel and perpendicular lines. Okay, number 14, test practice says, which figure shows parallel lines? So I'll give you a hint today. Cross out B, cross out D. So is this a set of parallel lines, or is C a set of parallel lines? You choose your answer.